What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what's going on in the global crypto market as well as Terra Luna Classic. I'm going to take a look at what's going on with those Binance Burns and where do people think we really sit? Are we outperforming Bitcoin right now? Is there a pump around the corner? I'm going to break it all down in this video. So if you are still holding your Luna Classic and you are bullish on what is about to come, be sure to subscribe to this channel. We talk about cryptocurrency every single day and keep you up to date with everything going on with Terra Luna Classic as well as the wider cryptocurrency market. Now, let's get into exactly what is going on. So we saw a pretty heavy correction yesterday on the back of the SEC $30 million fine into Kraken for basically selling a securities, hey-ho, and their staking protocol. That subsequently has now died down and the market feels like it has moved on quite quickly, I would say, as people really understand that it wasn't a crackdown on cryptocurrency and that actually it's just Gensler being Gensler and trying to take any win that he can right now in order to scare and spook the markets. We talked about this on my live stream that I genuinely thought this was a way, again, of him trying to cool the markets, trying to stop the kind of aggressiveness that people are moving into cryptocurrency right now. So if we refresh the page, you can see currently 1.33% up on where we were yesterday at $1.02 trillion market cap. Now, market's starting to move in the last couple of hours. You see there 1.10% on Bitcoin, could even test 22K over the course of the next couple of hours. ETH at 1537 is a great price at 1.7%. And then we are seeing a couple of coins start to move adverse to Bitcoin. See Solana there at nearly 4%, as well as Cardano moving nearly 4% as well. Some still in the red. Shiba Inu. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news with that one. We're expecting Shibarium on Tuesday. I don't think we're going to get it. Could be an opportunity to trade your way out. Monero up nearly 5%, as well as a couple of coins there trading about 2.5%. HBAR, man, if you bought that or you have been holding that, you are sitting pretty right now because that has moved quickly, 15%. As we come down the list, you can see there Chronos back under the 8 cents mark. And as we come down a bit further on the list, we can see at the 52nd highest ranked cryptocurrency is Terra Luna Classic. Now, we are up on the 24-hour by 2.13%, outperforming Bitcoin by nearly 1%, and a $997 million market cap. Could even break back into the $1 billion market cap, which is always a good thing to see. Now, what have we got coming down the line? Well, we have this Terra Luna Classic price prediction as Lunk spikes up is a new rally started. Now, Luna Classic always tends to be adverse to the global market, tends to move in its own way as we get news or developments and people sit on the coattails of what is coming out. So we got Terra Luna Classic price seems poised to print a series of green candles after bouncing off a support of the 1584. Lunk trades at 0.666 after accruing almost 5% in gains on the day. In the technical picture says bullish. Luna Classic price may close the gap to the 302 range, where bulls are expected to push for an aggressive breakout from an ascending triangle pattern. Now, we can see a little bit of the chart I drew. Again, this chart's been here now, I'm going to say well over a week. Now, we did obviously break out on the back of that SEC news, and I did say that I would really like to see us get back into this channel. We came and tested that 50-day EMA, got rejected initially, but on the day we are starting to move back up. I think back into this channel, which is what we're talking about, back into this between the 18 to the 19, consolidate sideways, ready to break out and head on up here to maybe push into the twos. And I think that's a very realistic possibility. We've seen USTC move 6.5% as well, which is always a positive sentiment that we see in the market. Now, attempts to push out of the resistance level trend to fail several times, but the bulls often do not give up as they gain strength. Bolstered by a slope of higher lows, a breakout materializes above the triangle. If the resistance is too strong, the breakout shelves all together and the triangle effectiveness fades. So you can see here exactly what they're predicting. Very similar to what we've got drawn on the chart we were just looking at as we kind of come up and look to push into these twos. Now, what in the short term are people talking about? Well, Luna Classic price is on the brink of validating a much anticipated move up to the twos after rebounding from that support level of 1584. Successful break and hold above this critical level will pave the way to eyes gaining nearly 18 and the twos. Position of the Stochastic oscillator is as close to the oversold region, reinforcing the bullish grip on Lunk. If Terra Luna Classic technical picture continues to improve, the path will least resistance is bound to stay to the upside. So again, we are definitely starting to see some positive sentiment. We are starting to see some build. We're starting to see a bit of volume coming back into Luna Classic as people get ready for the Binance Burns and equally the proposals that we have going through. Now, talking of Binance Burns, I want to give you a quick update. I've input the last few days worth of trading volume, and currently my best prediction looks like about 4.6 billion Lunar Classic. Obviously, we still have about 16 days left until the cutoff. 27th of February is the point in which we no longer will burn. And then we await for the 1st of March. Those Binance burns through those whitelist listed wallets will come through. Is this a way of building? Now, we generally did build up to the point in which we saw the Binance burns and then we sold off. Now, that could be something we see again. We could absolutely start to see that move up. It's about $1.5 million is the potential, which would take Binance well over nearly 6 million, which would be pretty crazy. So time gonna tell with Lunar Classic. As we can see, still a lot of people are getting involved with Lunar Classic. We can see here still a lot on the charts in terms of we are minting out. And if we look at the statistics, we continue to add to our staking pool. 13.759,449. That's going to be 945 tomorrow. It'd be great to see a trillion tokens staked. That would be a big achievement and certainly a big step forward for Lunar Classic. Well, that's going to do it for this video. We're going to keep you up to date with everything going on. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, like I said, we live stream every night and also bring you daily content around Lunar Classic. Always try and give you what's the latest and always try and give you an unbiased view. So if that's something you like, sure to subscribe. Also, if you found this video entertaining, then please leave a like. It does support the channel. It gets more people aware of what's going on with Lunar Classic and hopefully people can get in and make some money. As ever, thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.